Hello guys, welcome back to I'm going to show you how to get the keyboard, well not no board, I don't want that. Sorry, it's for Mac only. I don't know why, but system, go to like settings or system. Now go to keyboard, go, see I have it on already, but press that show keyboard mode configuration in the menu bar. Then after you're done, just click X or something. Then press this over here. And then it says show emoji. We're not gonna do that, but we're gonna show this. Then show keyboard viewer. There you go. Just like it's pretty cool. Like bam. Like my most disliked video. I guess some of you guys watch. Well, some of you guys watched was this. So you see spacebar. 2 fingers, just like while this thing, like, I don't know why. How? Oh yeah, God, yeah. That means this was here. Just do this. And this is bit slicer, we're not going to use that because we're already using the other video. See? Just hear it. You could just hear it, you know? So, oh, click it. Okay, that's really cool. So we can exit. Thanks for watching. Oh, subscribe and like the video. Oh, I forgot. Ring the bell so you won't miss out any video. Or live stream. I haven't done any live streams yet. But I need my phone number. I don't even have a phone anyways.